So, Mr. Speaker, the bulk of the budget at that time ay sa NTF-ELCAC and ATC. Kasi kung ito-total mo, 110 plus 60 million, di ba? Tapos 50 million lang yung sa WPS, Mr. Speaker. Ang napunta.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
Yung iba medyo maliliit na no? Yung sa foreign investment, 3 million, tapos yung sa others pa, Mr. Speaker.
Yes po, because that is a recent development that arose only, not unlike the other class expense na that was a long time concern of the agency.
Utilization, Mr. Speaker, na-utilize ang buo. Saan may kulang?
May I ask for 1 minute suspension, Mr. Speaker? To the question of the distinguished interpolator, ang utilization rate po ay 41%.
So, 41%. So, meron pa hanggang ngayon, kalahati halos.
Kalahati lang po. Because that is not yet the expense or the budget for the entire year.
Where is the bulk, Mr. Speaker, ng hindi napatupad? Anong mga programs yun? Generally, Mr. Speaker, halimbawa, is it in the ATC? Is it in the WPS?
May I ask for 1 minute suspension again, Mr. Speaker? Yes, Mr. Speaker, distinguished interpolator, ang composition po noong sinasabi po nating utilization percentage na 41, yan po ay sa 2 quarter lang po. Ano? At if I may be able to state the component, it's 44% po sa programa sa ATC, 24% sa NTF-ELCAC, and then 20% din po noong expense sa West Philippine Sea, and 12% sa other projects, yung mga maliliit na po na programa o proyekto ng NSC.
Sa WPS po, Mr. Speaker?
It's 20% po.
13?
20.
20%. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, kasi I remember so well last budget deliberation when we asked about kung ilalagay sa NSC ang confidential funds, it will be utilized particularly for the West Philippine Sea. Pero, Mr. Speaker, apparently, 20% lang yung utilization dito sa issue ng West Philippine Sea, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, ang baba nun sa utilization rate na kailangan. Tapos, medyo malaki pa nga yung sa ATC, 44%. We have problems with the Anti-Terrorism Council dahil super body nga ito, na tingin namin walang due process. And 24%, maliit din lang naman din doon sa NTF-ELCAC, pero we are also questioning those programs, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished interpolator, ito po, please remember na ang itong expense nito ay 2 quarter lang po. So, 2 quarters lang po.
2 quarters?
Yes.
What do you mean by 2 quarters, Mr. Speaker?
End of the middle lang po ng year, ito hanggang middle of the year lang ang utilization rate na sinasabi natin.
So, Mr. Speaker, parang June, August, parang
as of
ganyan,
June 2024.
As of June.
June 30, 2024.
So, meron pang time for the catch-up, Mr. Speaker.
Opo, mag-double time po tayo.
So, Mr. Speaker, but nevertheless, 50M lang, maliit, Mr. Speaker, for the WPS, 50M. Yung ATC NTF-ELCAC, 110 plus 60. Tapos, yung sa WPS, 50M lang, tapos 20% yung utilization as of June, Mr. Speaker. Mabagal yon, Mr. Speaker.
Well, ang distinction po nun ay dahil yung amount na ginastos po natin sa ATC is, at saka sa NTF-ELCAC, ay ano na po yun, yung patapos na po. Ibig sabihin, ang paggastos po noon ay nakalaan po sa kanilang malaking programa na para pong talagang
Mr. Speaker,
marami pong
Mr.
component
Speaker,
ang expense po.
I am now talking about the ATC and
The NTF.
NTF-ELCAC.
Okay po.
Mr. Speaker, I am talking about the WPS.
WPS. Okay.
Oh, Mr. Speaker. Kasi we don't agree with the budget ng NTF-ELCAC and ATC. Ang tinatanong po natin yung WPS because this is one of the identified purpose of the fund, Mr. Speaker. Naalala ko pa yan. It was in the news. Palagi sinasabi, we put this confidential fund dito kasi dito alam natin may tangible tayong makukuha na makakatulong sa issue ng West Philippine Sea, Mr. Speaker. Yun ang sponsor.
Siguro po ang Mr. Speaker, distinguished interpolator, hindi po kaagad ganyang kalaki ang ginawad at ginastos dahil po hindi naman po malakihan at biglaan ang nangyayaring event that would call for the expenditure of the fund.
I am thinking, Mr. Speaker, na baka dahil may mga